Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Santa, and I'm the CEO of Breakthrough Coaching. And I'd like to take a moment to talk to you, specifically the practicing chiropractor. My role as CEO of the company, I interact with hundreds of chiropractors across the country, and I can tell you that the practice of chiropractic has fundamentally changed. We're facing economic and regulatory changes that we have never before confronted as a profession. Next to the economy, the number one concern of the American public is healthcare reform. And as this new election cycle faces us, I can guarantee you that in one way, one shape, one form or another, we will confront healthcare reform. In Breakthrough Coaching, we have created the systems and the procedures to help you simplify your practice, to help it be more profitable, and at the same time, I want you to have some fun there in practice. When you are facing the uncertainty of fear, of the unknown, not knowing what's going to happen next, it's nice to know that there are a group of individuals who are committed to stand behind you and help support you as you make your progress toward the future of chiropractic. It's been my honor to see chiropractors come into the Breakthrough Coaching program uncertain about the future, not knowing how to manage their team and hold that fear and uncertainty down, have them join us at seminar, have them work with a personal coach, and have the satisfaction of knowing that their financial footing is firmly on the ground for the future. When you have that in place, the profitability of your practice is assured. You can focus on the one thing that you want to do most, and that's care for your patients. As a practicing chiropractor, I know how distracted I could become with insurance issues, with documentation issues, with staffing issues. And so we created Breakthrough Coaching to deliver the nuts and bolts that you need to help create the practice of your dream. I know that you're busy. I want you to stop for one moment right now, pick up the telephone, dial 1-800-723-8423, and you can speak with a personal coach who will listen to your needs, listen to your concerns, and help you develop a plan of action for the future. There's no charge for that call, and so take the action today. Pick up the phone, 1-800-723-8423. We're here to help you make your practice simpler, more profitable, and more fun.